Hey, it's Rick Rose, Coach Rick Rose from Flip Mastery. Today we're going to talk about a little bit about design planning. You know, when you drive up to a house, your first impression of the house is probably the most important, and that goes for the same with the buyers who are ultimately going to buy the house. They drive up. The first thing that they see kind of really needs to impress them. So again, you put out some flowers on the front. You've already, if it needs it, painted the eaves trough, painted the soffits and fascia, the gutters, make it look kind of pretty and appealing. Now, from the inside, when you're first buying the house, you want to get a design. You want to get a really good game plan of what you're going to do, how you're going to do it. But there are two things. One, renovations, move everything, make it, spend a lot of money. The other way of renovating is the flipping. And in that case, you try not to do too much. You try not to waste money, because every time you spend some money, that comes straight out of your profit. So the designing of the inside, typically with a flip, you're going to leave it pretty much the way it is, but make it pretty. And also in designing, when you're finished, I strongly recommend that you stage the property, get some furniture from someplace, put it in there, just so that when people open the door, it feels and seems like a home. Anyway, thank you so much. That's your tip for today. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to get in touch with me, and see you later.